little sicko. Yummy? You show me, show me, show me. The girl, just wait. That's fine. So it won't come out nice. Yay, look at that. In you go. To talk about forever, talk about the weather, to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe. Midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep. Oh, the whole night through. And we could count the distant tumbling stars from the roof of our cars, letting go. Okay, so I thought I'd share with you our little thing we've been doing. Talia actually got a scrapbooking kit for her birthday, which I would have never have thought to do that, but Talia absolutely loves art and craft, and I think this is just going to be such an amazing thing for her to have each year, and she can sort of do her own scrapbook, providing that she still loves art and craft. And then she can sort of just document her life, and I thought that's just so beautiful. So we just went to the photo lab before and we grabbed some photos, didn't we? Yeah, we did that yesterday, and today we're just going to chill and do the scrapbooking. So I'll share with you where we're up to and what we've got. Mummy will help you with cutting them out. It's quite hard for her to cut them out because she still, you know, needs the gross motor skills, fine motor skills to do it, but that's where we're at. So I've just cut these out for her. These are her first day of school, and we had some from the start of the year. This is
not my
from our holiday.
First day of school. It's just
this one's the first day of grade 1 though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just starting it this year. Then we might backtrack if we get time, but I think it's better off just to do this year. So we've got a blank page just here because this is where we're going to put our January holidays, which we haven't cut out yet. And then Talia's just written some stuff in here. So she's wrote, my name is Talia, I'm 7 years old, I'm in grade 1. I got this book for my birthday from my friend, it's meant to say. And then we've already done the front cover. So we did this together. And yeah, so it's just our memories 2024. That's really, really cute. It's just going to be one of those really nice things that Talia can do by herself or we can do together, and it's like a mother-daughter thing. So yeah, Talia's just cutting bits and pieces out, aren't you? Mind you, she hasn't had her hair done today. She's just having a bit of a scraggly day, aren't you? You having a scraggly day? You love scraggly days. So if you want one of the kits, I did see them at Kmart as well if you're interested in that for your kits.
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go.
Are you going to do some more? Flowers or something here. Or... This is where we ended up at by the end of the day. We just kept going. I really had enough of scrapbooking by the end of the day. But how cute is this? And she's written all about her holiday. Oh, it's going to be so sweet when she's older. And she can look back on this book. Of course, she saw the first day of school. And then this is her birthday one. I've just sticky noted it because I need to get more photos. And then this is Easter. Oh, how cute. This is lunch. It is basically roast chicken and vegetables and egg whisked together, baked in the oven. I just reheated this because I made it last night, so I just reheated it in the oven. You can freeze it, but you can't reheat it in the microwave, otherwise it will go soggy. But this is so easy, just for leftover veggies. But yeah, because I'm on a veggie diet, whole foods diet now, this is pretty much my life of what I get to eat. I forgot to share with you what I got yesterday. So I got this really cool vase from the op shop. It's actually pretty expensive for an op shop thing. It was like $15. The only thing I don't like, I'm not the biggest fan of this part here, but see how it's mirrored and you can see on there. Like, I'm not keeping these bedside tables, but at the moment I kind of just have to. I need to really tape that up though. But yeah, so that's what I got. Let me know. I'm not sure about the olive branches being in there. I was originally going to get like a small one and do a thrift flip, so that's why I went in there, and I thought that the olive branches can go in there and I can have a small one. This here was not going to be in here at all, but I wanted a big one for these big branches. But let me know what you think. Do you think I need to buy some more of these ones or something like that as a color contrast? I'll pop on the screen what I was looking at doing, like the style I'm looking at. But yeah, it's just so cute. But I think that I can't thrift flip this. Like, originally that's what I bought it for, but it's just, I'll probably trash it, let's just be honest. And for $15, and it's already perfectly fine. Like, this bit here I don't love, but apart from that, like, it's really cute already. And I went into Kmart the other day and I saw some really cool check green flannelette sheets. So let me know what you guys think. Should I get them? Just to get that consistency throughout the house as well. As you guys may know, I do have a lot of like greenery going on, like whites and greens and that natural sort of like brown tone color. So I think with the direction my bedroom's going in, it's probably going into that sort of direction, and it's giving the house that consistency. But yeah, so that's what I've got to do. And I do need to go to Bunnings, but I don't know if I'll end up doing that today because I completely trashed the wall in here. I did do a video and you'll see it, what I did. I'm such an idiot. But anyway, I'm not going to tell you what I did. You'll see it and you'll think, geez, Steph, what have you done? But anyway, that is what I did. I trashed the wall, so I'm going to have to go and get some stuff to fix that and try and colour match the paint. And I desperately need to do a little bit of a declutter in this garage, and there's redbacks in there again, so I need to go. Tully's phone's charged, and maybe do a bit of gardening. I'm not really sure. I feel like it's been so long that I don't know what I'm recording. Isn't that so bad? Like, I'm a home improvement channel, I know that, so that's I'm like, say, sort of stick to those guidelines. And I feel like I've just got to get stuff done. Like, I've got school holidays, so I just need to get a few things done while I'm on school holidays. So I think this week is just going to be me just getting organised, to be really honest. So then when I go back to uni, I've got like batch lots of things cooked. I know that I've, you know, my green bin's full and I don't have to worry about it for when that's ready to go out, and I've decluttered and everything is like going to be heaps easier for me to maintain and clean up while I'm really time poor. So it's looking super nasty out here again. It happens so bloody quick. So I thought this would be the first area. Well, this is the area I'm going to tackle today, I think. I don't think I'll get anything else done because it's going to rain. Clouds are already getting there. So quickly do this and see how we go. This is how much I've got. All this for next week, or next fortnight's green waste, and this would be for the next week's. Mind you, I'm still waiting 7 days for this to get collected. Anyway, hopefully they'll collect it with this much shit in it. It should compact down a little bit more. and I should be able to get it collected. But I'm just going to pop this in my garden shed so it's ready and it doesn't get full of water. This is it, guys. I didn't get right into that corner because it's a pain in the ass getting that stuff off, and I pretty much, like, I've used the wheelbarrow completely and the green bin. So yeah, this is the tiling. If you haven't seen the video, go and check it out. It's just the Kmart tiles I used, so it's really cool, but I need to seal it, so that's why I've just kept this under it to protect, or over it to protect it. And yeah, I know it's usually I sweep it and I get the rake out and rake it and sweep it, but honestly there's no room in those bins and I have other things that I need to get done today. Just trying to get everything done like super quick. This was the other thing that I've left here because it's full of dirt and it's heavy, so I'll need to empty that when the green waste bin is ready. So but I was thinking, because I did the grouting obviously in here, and I wouldn't mind trying to grout, it sounds weird, grout this. So see how it's like this on the walls and it gives it that really cool effect? That's what I'm thinking of doing with this. Like, it's old, it's got a chip in it, like who cares, right? Just muck around with it and make it like real vintage, old school looking. What do you guys think? Oh, my other question is, see along here how there's like a garden bed here? I want to know, because originally I was going to put like a nice bright garden, something I could see from my bedroom window, but I want some screening from the neighbours. What, like, hedgy type or bush or I don't know, tree type thing I can do that's hasn't got a big root system, that's not going to be intrusive, that will grow tall along here, that will actually look good, that will screen out the neighbours and stuff a bit. Let me know if you're a gardener, because I am not very green thumbish. Okay, so in other news, I got a new job, and my new job allows me for school holidays, which is awesome. It's only 2 days a week, so that means in the school holidays I only get paid for those 2 days. It is temporary, so the contract finishes on the 24th of January, but they have said to me that if they can get funding again for the next year, which they're confident they will, that they will continue to keep me on. But with my new qualification that I'll be doing, there is a major industry shortage, and if I pass the course, I should be able to get a job pretty easily doing that. So I'm not too worried, which is really weird, you know, being a single mum and stuff like that. You tend to go for things that are really safe and secure. That's me anyway. I'm really scared of just doing my own business on my own without having a job, you know, a 9 to 5 job, sort of like a couple of days a week, because it's just, you know, it's just you. Like, if you don't make any money that week, you're screwed. So yeah, anyway, I'm usually really scared about this sort of thing, but I'm actually not. So it's going to be good. So yes, I'll get school holidays off. I am planning to do some placement over the school holidays because I have to do 80 hours placement. So I'm planning to do some over the school holidays, but this should free me up a bit to do some videos, possibly over school holidays, possibly. But then I might actually take on some extra work in the school. So I'm working in a standalone kinder, but they do have a school attached to the kinder and a OSC as well. So I could possibly work OSC if they needed someone. Yeah. Anyway, so that's pretty much news. That's what's been going on. So I'm probably just going to go and edit this video, and I did an organize of me video. So I will edit that video, and then I'm just going to pretty much call it a day. I do have another uni assignment, it just never ends, that they've given us already, which I might actually end up starting on before the week's up. So hopefully I can get these 2 videos done so I can get started on that one, and then hopefully I'll be able to then get some content to you guys earlier if I can get this other assessment done. I won't be spending my whole weekend when I don't have Talia doing that assessment because I've already kind of done it. Like I'm getting ahead, if that makes sense. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and of course I'll catch up with you as soon as I can, and I'll see you then. Bye.